Sip, let's go!
And we are now heading to Sijin Island. Ang maganda dito, kabayan, walking distance lang to from Pier 2 to Gushan Ferry Terminal. From here, it's just 1 minute or so papunta sa Sijin Island.
From Gushan Ferry Pier, you can ride the ferry to Sijin for only 30 NTD. It's a quick and relaxing trip, just a few minutes across the water. Na-enjoy nyo na ang sea breeze, the view of Kaohsiung's harbor, and the fun experience of riding this small ferry boat. Perfect para start your Sijin adventure.
We are now here in Sijin Island, one of the places tourists love to explore. So before we go to the beach and do some fun activities and climb the mountain where the lighthouse is, dadaan muna tayo sa Sijin Market. Dito guys, madaming mga fresh seafood at madaming mga masasarap na pagkain na pwede nyong tikman. Kaya ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's go and let's explore Sijin Island.
Welcome to Sijin Market, the vibrant food hub of Sijin Island. Pagbaba mo ng ferry, sasalubong sa'yo ang lively market nila. May mga bikes for rent, mga food stalls everywhere. At syempre, dahil tourist spots ito, marami talagang tao. And this small but lively market is known for its fresh seafood and classic Taiwanese street food. As you walk to the stalls, you'll see vendors grilling squid, frying oysters, steaming fish balls, and preparing the island-famous seafood snacks. Many stalls offer affordable dishes, perfect for a quick bite while you explore. And of course, ma-enjoy mo din yung mga sweet Taiwanese snacks dito. Bawat kanto may something na mapapawaw ka talaga. The aroma, the flavors, the vibe, lahat swak talaga sa island life. From the lively market of Sijin, biglang magsiship ang vibe natin papunta sa beach view. Kasi yan talaga ang ipinagmamalaki ng Sijin, ang kanilang beautiful sea view. Unfortunately guys, under renovation ngayon ang front beach area, kung saan makikita yung malaking Sijin signage na favorite picturean ng mga turista. Pero don't worry, after ng renovation, paniguradong mas ma-amaze tayo sa bagong itsura ng Sijin Island guys. Something to look forward to on your next visit. Pero guys, don't lose hope dahil papunta pa lang tayo sa pinaka-exciting part. Dito sa Sijin, mayroon silang trekking activity kung saan makikita nyo ang buong kagandahan ng Kaohsiung. Habang umaakyat kayo, promise, may enjoy nyo talaga at the same time, may instant workout pa papuntang Siho Port at Siho Lighthouse. Pagdating sa taas, bubungad agad ang abandoned base dito sa Siho Mountain. Alam nyo ba guys, na dati itong military base? Oo, dito nila binabantayan ang entrance ng Kaohsiung Harbor noong unang panahon. Kahit sinauna na ang structure na ito, ang ganda pa rin ng ambience at atmosphere. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang breathtaking view mula sa dagat, sa cityscape, hanggang sa famous heart-shaped ocean. Nakitang-kita naman talaga mula sa vantage point. Kaya guys, perfect na perfect talaga ito for photo ops, cinematic shots, o kahit pang quick history trip lang. Punta naman tayo sa lighthouse guys. Ito naman ang nagsilbing gabay ng mga barko papasok ng Kaohsiung Harbor noong unang panahon. Ngayon, isa na siya sa iconic spot na may amazing coastal views. So after mo ma-enjoy ang view from the top guys, punta naman tayo ng Sijin Tunnel o yung tinatawag nilang Star Tunnel. Alam nyo ba na isa itong military defense passage sa ilalim ng Siho Mountain? Dito dumadaan ang mga sundalo para bantayan ang harbor. Pagkaraan naman ng ilang dekada, na-abandon na ito hanggang sa nirenovate naman noong 2005. Tignan nyo, nilagyan ng LED lights, marine murals, at walkway. Kaya ngayon, mula sa dating madilim na military tunnel, naging magical pathway na may starry vibes, leading to a stunning sea cliff view ng Sijin. Super ma-enjoy mo talaga ang pamamasyal dito. Kaya guys, visit this place kung gusto nyong ma-feel ang peaceful and relaxing vibes.
So kabayan, dito na po nagtatapos ang Kaohsiung adventure natin from Pier 2 to Sijin Island.
Thank you for joining us today. We hope na nag-enjoy po kayo sa ating pag-explore dito sa Sijin Island. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. See you on our next adventure. Bye!